Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. Spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my. Feel like I'm destined. I don't need no Smith & Wesson, nah. Girl, who you testing? Fuck is schedule, here's your lesson, nah. Knife and intestine. Taking shots with all your brethren, nah. Feel like I'm dead, man. Feeling like a broken planet. All alone, call my phone, make me feel right. Girl, you know when you call, make me feel right. All alone, call my phone, make me feel right. Girl, you know who you call, make me feel right. Spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight.
Come on in!
Moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. Spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. Spotlight.
Onyx!
Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight.
Aww.
Spotlight.
Sarah? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Onyx. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Another hip!
Hurrah!
Awoo!
Awoo! Blow it out, love. Awoo! Hi everyone! Hi! Thank you for coming. Onyx's first human birthday. So it's 1 year for dogs in human years, but 21 in dog years.
Yeah!
So he's become a man! Yay! I love this little boy so much. He saved me from many, many things, except this morning he tried to kill me and himself, running across the road and saying hi to friends that I'm not sure are safe. But he's a man now, he can do what he wants, right? Anyway, thank you for coming and I hope everyone has fun. Aww. Yeah!
No, you lean that way. Surrender!
Stop being stupid.
He's right out of the camera, I can try now.
There we go. Happy birthday.
Happy
Yes, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Does your camera move? Move.
It does.
Come on, show all the things.
I got all that.
Yeah, but now we're gonna. This is alright. It's a bark treat. No,
Chanel Lily.
he doesn't want it. It's okay. Anyway,